What if you could walk into a real-life anime scene? A place where the worlds of gaming, cosplay, fantasy, and futuristic design collide in one immersive dreamscape. Welcome to Bit City, Shenzhen's most visually explosive subculture experience. This isn't just a mall or a theme park or a cosplay cafe. It's a living, breathing pop culture playground for Gen Zs, otakus, photographers, and everyone who secretly wishes they could step into their favorite digital universe. Located in the Bao'an district of Shenzhen, Bit City, also known as Fuhua Xiaozhen, is a neon-drenched escape into stylized architecture, themed pop-up stores, interactive cosplay corners, and handcrafted experiences that blur the line between virtual and real. Whether you're into anime, K-pop, sci-fi fashion, or you're just hunting for your next viral TikTok background, this place delivers it in layers. Before even stepping through the gates, the streets outside Bit City are already packed with excitement. Cosplayers stroll past, dressed as characters from Genshin Impact, Naruto, Vocaloid, and even obscure indie games. It feels like a soft Comic-Con is happening every single day. As you walk into the plaza, the first thing that hits you is the architecture, an eye-popping fusion of cyberpunk cityscapes, neon-lit signage in pixel fonts, and geometric sculptures that look like they were downloaded from a video game. The buildings are intentionally asymmetrical, multi-leveled, and designed to keep your eyes wandering and your camera clicking. Bright pastel pillars, checkerboard floors, hovering cube signs, and optical illusions are everywhere. One corner might resemble a kawaii-themed classroom. Another might look like a Blade Runner alleyway glowing in purples and blues. It's impossible to take a bad photo here. Let's start with one of the most eye-catching spaces, the custom merchandise workshop. It's not just a souvenir shop. Here you can print your favorite character on a phone case, tote bag, or even acrylic keychains. Staff will guide you through iPads lined up along the counter. Just pick the artwork from their digital gallery or upload your own if you're an artist. Within 15 minutes, they'll hand you a freshly pressed item that feels like a convention exclusive, but it's made just for you. Next door, the DIY badge and sticker lab draws in the younger crowd and cosplayers alike. You sit at colorful workbenches covered in art materials where you can design your own anime badges using holographic papers, stencils, and even glitter resin molds. Once you've created your masterpiece, slide it into the pressing machine and watch your idea turn into a wearable pin within seconds. It's creative, nostalgic, and oddly therapeutic. Nearby, the wig boutique isn't just for costume purposes. It's a full styling zone. Rows of pastel-colored wigs hang like rainbow waterfalls, and you can sit down for a touch-up or even a full restyle before your photo shoot. Cosplay makeup services are also available, complete with sparkly lashes, colored contact lenses, and special effect face gems. One level above, you'll stumble upon the AI Photo Booth Studio. This isn't your average passport photo corner. Step into a fully LED-lit room where cameras are mounted at every angle. Choose your theme: vintage filter, manga lines, dreamy haze, or cyberpunk glow. The AI software smooths your features, anime style, and places you inside dynamic 3D environments, from cherry blossom forests to spaceship bridges. Prints are ready in minutes, and soft copies are sent straight to your phone. If you're hungry, don't leave the aesthetic just yet. Bit City's themed cafes are just as visual. One resembles a retro futuristic diner with glowing menus and plush UFO-shaped booths. Another feels like a Witch Academy canteen, where you can order drinks with dry ice smoke or cotton candy spells. Then there are the specialty collectible stores, selling everything from figurines to hard-to-find gacha toys, K-pop albums, holographic phone cases, and imported candy from Japan and Korea. Some stores even let you try your hand at blind box vending machines that light up and sing as you turn the handle. Bit City doesn't just attract cosplayers, it's built for them. Every weekend, you'll find dozens of creators posing across stairwells, faux rooftops, and graffiti walls. Some are solo performers striking dramatic stances. Others come as friend groups doing full anime cast reenactments. There's even a rotating pop-up space curated by well-known cosplay collectives. These feature interactive fan experiences like voice acting booths, motion capture dances, or even data character photo zones where you sit opposite your favorite husbando or waifu in a fully designed setting. Sometimes Bit City hosts idol performances, complete with stages and cheering fans waving light sticks. Other times, it turns into a catwalk for fantasy fashion designers showing off gothic Lolita dresses, cyber ninja outfits, and puff-sleeved magical girl uniforms. If you're lucky, you'll also see live drawing battles or sticker swap markets between independent artists. While most visitors crowd the front areas, some of Bit City's best-kept gems are tucked into its quieter corridors. In one alcove, you might find a pastel-toned photo booth where the floor rotates slowly as you pose, creating 360-degree Instagram reels in one tap. A nearby staircase leads to a hidden vinyl cafe that plays Japanese city pop and sells limited edition cassette players. Its walls are filled with retro posters, Polaroids from past guests, and handwritten notes from fans around Asia. You might even spot a self-service vending wall where you can leave messages and capsule toys. Think of it like a digital time capsule between strangers. Some messages are funny, others are deeply emotional. It adds an oddly wholesome layer to the space. What makes Bit City different isn't just the visuals, it's the energy. Unlike a museum, it doesn't ask you to observe. It invites you to join in. You don't just watch characters walk by, you become one. You don't just take a selfie, you become part of someone else's cinematic shot. It's communal, it's performative, and it's a physical manifestation of online culture in the real world. And unlike many tourist attractions, Bit City constantly updates. New installations, rotating themes, seasonal pop-ups, and holiday specials make each visit different. Whether it's a winter illumination show or a summer water gun cosplay battle, you'll never see the same Bit City twice. Now, if you're ready to visit, here's everything you need to know. Bit City is located at... To get there, take Shenzhen Metro Line 1 or Line 4 and alight at Convention and Exhibition Center Station. Use Exit A, north side of Fuhua Road East. Once you come out of the station, just walk a few minutes straight ahead. You'll know you've arrived when the neon lights, cosplay posters, and gachapon rows start pulling you in. Bit City is open daily from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m., giving you plenty of time to explore both daytime charm and its LED-lit magic at night. Entry is completely free. You only pay for what you interact with: custom badges, VR booths, snacks, or capsule toys. Most shops accept Alipay, WeChat Pay, and some support international credit cards. Carry small change or a QR code app just in case. And that wraps up our adventure through Bit City Shenzhen, a place where fantasy meets real life, and every corner feels like a new episode. Whether you're here for cosplay, collectibles, or just to live your anime dream for a day, this is one spot you won't forget. If you enjoyed this tour, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to NBS Travel, and leave a comment below. Tell us your favorite cosplay character. We'd love to hear who you dress up as if you were exploring Bit City. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next adventure. Subscribe the NBS Travel for more tips. Safe travel.